Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin C capsules on your hair. First, take 1 or 2 vitamin C capsules and crush them into a fine powder. You can use a mortar and pestle or the back of a spoon. Next, mix this powder with a small amount of water or your favorite hair conditioner until it forms a smooth, consistent paste. This preparation is crucial for even application and maximum benefit. Once your vitamin C paste is ready, apply it evenly to damp hair. Make sure your hair is clean before application for best results. Concentrate on areas where you want to brighten your hair color or address scalp concerns. Let the mixture sit on your hair for approximately 15 to 30 minutes. This allows the vitamin C to work its magic effectively. After the recommended time, rinse your hair thoroughly with cool water until all the mixture is gone. Follow up with your regular shampoo and conditioner to ensure your hair feels clean and soft. Using vitamin C on your hair can help brighten its appearance, remove product buildup, and even contribute to a healthier scalp environment. It's a simple yet effective treatment. Always perform a patch test on a small section of hair or skin first to check for any sensitivities. For optimal results, incorporate this vitamin C treatment into your hair care routine once every 2 to 4 weeks. Remember, consistency is key for seeing noticeable improvements. Also, don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to keep you feeling your best.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.